Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to configure Google Chrome's advanced privacy settings, step by step. If you want to browse safely, block trackers, and protect your data, this guide is perfect for you. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your browser privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Security on the left menu. You'll see several options like clear browsing data, cookies and other site data, and security. Each of these plays an important role in protecting your information online. Start with clear browsing data, click it and select the time range you want, such as the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Check options like browsing history, cookies, and cached images. Then click Clear Data. This removes stored information that trackers can use. Now, adjust cookies and other site data. You can block third-party cookies, prevent sites from tracking you, or clear cookies when you close Chrome. Blocking trackers reduces personalized ads and improves privacy. So it's worth doing. Next, check security settings. Turn on safe browsing to get warnings about dangerous sites or downloads. You can also enable enhanced protection for even better safety. Go to Site Settings to manage permissions, control which websites can access your camera, microphone, location, and notifications. Limiting permissions keeps your personal data secure. Finally, consider advanced options like sending a Do Not Track request, managing certificates, or controlling payment methods. These add an extra layer of privacy and control, and that's it. By configuring browsing data, cookies, security, and site permissions, you can make Google Chrome much safer and more private. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step browser and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.